about to head over to the track. I'm exhausted. I may not be able to talk, but I can talk some shit. I just scream loud. According to the GPS on a Ford truck, that screen just miraculously stopped working. The racetrack is over this hill right here.
Marked on there, right, left, whichever side you go in, that's the side you will go
I don't know how. Hey, I don't think I've lost my voice. God, when Zach was laughing, it was hilarious.
Yeah.
Make sure you're holding it steady.
Joe, I'm in charge of this stick.
Oh shit!
I didn't mean it.
Oh, and spray it.
Shut the front.
Yo, if he doesn't 590 this car tonight, I'm hopping in it.
The whole car will be crooked then.
Yeah. Crooked at 200 pounds heavier, but still went 590s.
All right, where's Tech at?
Where's your shop settings on that?
One of our TCR guys.
10 compression.
TCR, that is
15 rebound and rear. 15
kids under the age of
compression.
16 can run an eighth of a mile with a dog in. Then enter that dog in. Thank you.
He's gonna go right to the dog in. Yes.
Here's our electric version in the Deerland 2021 Tesla. Ford Mustang.
Quarter mile.
605 at the 8, 946 at 143 and a quarter. Tesla goes 1086 at 145 miles an hour in the Tesla.
40 tubular intake right here.
A GT40 tubular intake. You
Yeah.
think that's gonna get me into the 8s?
I think so.
I think so too.
Yeah.
You think that tubular intake get me in the 8s? Can't talk.
I give you a good price on it. Yeah, I'll help you out.
About $1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 I'll help you out.
That's all right. Anyway, so we did pretty good. Right lane, we lifted a little bit. Just first time down the track, 605 at 113. We only had like 12 pounds of boost in it. So the mile an hour, I mean, it's first time down the track in 2023. So I'm happy with it. We're gonna let the clutch cool down a little bit, and we're gonna get back up here about 10 or 15 minutes. And I'm gonna try to actually do a puddle burnout. They'll let me. We gotta work on it. We gotta do 400 tree.
What's that?
400 tree.
Yeah, we're gonna do a 400 pro tree.
Quarter mile.
608, 115 in the 8, 942, 147 in the quarter.
All right, so we're gonna go one more pass. I'm starting to get some of my voice back. Maybe it's that 150 miles an hour. But we go one more pass. Got it turned up a little bit. Changed the shock settings a little bit. Sun's going down. Magic hour right now. We used to call it. Right when the sun hits that. By the time I get up there, that sun will be right up on that mountain, so it's perfect. So we got to be safe here. This is a new addition to the channel this year. But trying to be safe, that's all. All right, so here we go.
So in this pass, we decided to lay some stripper glitter traction compound down on the left lane, as it looked like it was pretty tight, and I wanted to make a good pass on it.
Mustang in the airway,
98. Unfortunately, about 500 feet out, the car got a little squirrely on me, had to let out and let that one go. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's pretty much all I got for you for tonight. I didn't really get an outro video, which isn't a big deal. Big shout out to my buddy Andrew Hanlon and Hanlon Motorsports and Zach. Also a big shout out to Miss Katie for helping me with the film. I appreciate everybody for watching. Stay tuned as we got a bunch more videos that coming up. I will see you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.